Introduction. This chapter presents the introductory part of the study about payroll system. The purpose of this study is to ensure that the project will support the business requirement in payroll system and improve better service to the employee. This study is conducted by SARMIENTO III, CRISTIAN, Elizabeth IGNAS, FIDEL FRIALDE, and Mr. Genesis. The brain is SANDIEGO. We are proposing this study to anyone who uses a manual system in Excel, and they are thinking about creating a database to make payroll easily, and that will lessen their time in creating payroll to their employees. Thank you.
Sa chapter na ito ay aking ipapakita ang pangunahing bahagi ng pag-aaral tungkol sa sistema ng pagsasahod o pagsasweldo dito sa ating bansa. Layunin ng pag-aaral na ito na siguraduhin na ang proyekto ay sumusuporta sa mga negosyo o pangangalakal na kinakailangan sa sistema ng pagsasahod o pagsweldo at mas pinakamagandang serbisyo ng pagsahod sa mga empleyado o manggagawa. Ang pag-aaral na ito ay pinangungunahan at isinagawa ni SARMIENTO III, CRISTIAN, Elizabeth IGNAS, FIDEL FRIALDE, and Mr. Genesis the Brain Sandiego. Ang pag-aaral na ito sa bawat iminumukha. Isa na gagamit ng mano-manong sistema na malampasan at mag-isip ng pagsasagawa ng database upang mapadali ang pagpapasahod at mabawasan ang oras at panahon sa paggawa ng pasahod sa kanilang mga empleyado.
Development Tools. Java is a 11 class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have a pure implementation dependency as possible. It is a general-purpose programming language intended to let application developer write once, run anywhere, or more. Meaning, the compiled Java code can run all platforms that support Java without need for recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine, regardless of underlying computer architecture. Apache NetBeans. NetBeans is an integrated development environment or IDE for Java. NetBeans allows applications to be developed from a set modular software component called module. NetBeans run on Windows, MacOS, Linux, and Solaris. In addition to Java development, it is an extension for other languages like PHP, C, C++, and HTML5, and JavaScript. Application based on NetBeans, including the NetBeans IDE, can be added by third-party developer.
In treasury management, a payroll is the list of employees of some company that is entitled to receive payments as well as other work benefits and the amounts that it should receive, along with the amounts that each employee should receive for time work or task performed. Payroll can also refer to a company records of payments that were previously made to employees, including salaries and wage, bonuses, and white-held taxes, or the company department that deals with compensation. One way that payroll can be handled in-house, meaning that the company handles all aspects of the payroll process on its own, including in, including timesheet, calculating wage, producing paychecks, sending the ACH means automated clearinghouse for any direct deposits, and remitting any tax payment necessary. Payroll can also be outsourced to a full service payroll processing company. When a company chooses to outsource the payroll, timesheets, wage calculation, creating paychecks, direct deposits, and tax payments can be handled all or in part by the payroll company.
Good day, everyone. The title of our system is Development of Payroll System. Technology today is fast changing. Many business companies try to adapt the changing technology in order to stay competitive. So my team create a payroll system. Many companies today see the need for a human resource application. Although there are a few choices on the market, many of these are costly and most are incomplete, lacking payroll and local benefits of the most country. Some companies have decided to automate and purchase an HR application from one supplier, a payroll application from another supplier, and then needed to hire a third-party integrator to tie HR and payroll into their existing system. We are proposing this study to anyone who uses a manual system in Excel and they are thinking about creating a database to make payroll easily. And that would lessen their time in creating payroll to their employee, so you can pay your employee accurately. Now, this is our system. I use Java and NetBeans to create this system. This is how our system works. First, fill up the employee name. Address. Country. Postcode. Reference number. Employer name. And another employee name to confirm if the employee name is same or valid. Next, this HUEN group is like a bonus or allowance to your company. You can put any amount based on the day, like holiday, Christmas Day, next is salary of your employee, provincial rate or Manila rate, any amount. Next is overtime. And also, don't forget to put the pay date so the employer remember the date of her paycheck. Then click the add wage. As you can see, the add wage button is the computing button. It will compute the daily salary of your employee. And also, it included the tax of the employee in the computing process. The system will auto-deduct the tax and also all of the insurance of the employee. This system shows the employee not only the daily salary as well as all of the deduction also. The next button is the reset button. If you click this button, all of the information you fill up will be gone. Next is the button of the new paycheck. If you click this button, you will go in another fill up form so you can fill up another employee information. And this recommendation chat box, this is like a message to employee to cheer up in work or to congratulate in promotion or to thank the employee because of their hard work. And the last button, exit. If you click this button, you will out and the process will be end. And that is how our system works. That's all. Thank you. Love you.